Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
So,
Yeah, okay.
yes, what
I
have you got
have,
for me?
yeah, the first question is, what's your advice, okay, for the teachers who just started teaching English online?
Okay, I think my advice would be that I think it's more about the people and not as much about um, how much knowledge you have. I've found that it's more about connecting with people
Yeah.
online, especially on this platform. That it's more about if somebody feels comfortable with you. If you're able to connect with them, if you're able to discuss many different topics, I
Uh-huh.
found that that's benefited me quite a lot here. Yes, it is part grammar, it is part pronunciation, it is part vocabulary, but a lot of it has to do with actually really connecting with people. So
Yeah.
that
So what if the student asks you like a question that you don't have like the answer? What do you do?
I have resources that are open and available to me. So
Uh-huh.
I have different websites that I already have open, ready for me at any point, especially grammar. Grammar
Yeah.
is quite a big thing. So whenever somebody asks me about phrasal verbs or
Yeah.
whatever it is, I have those resources available just to click. It's a click away. I can open it up and I can share with the student whatever. I can share the link with them so they can also then practice on their own in their own time, and we can also discuss it. So Google knows everything. There's something out there for everything, and just to have those resources available to you a click away.
And you are always like prepared for any questions.
I'm prepared. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Look, there are always going to be something that somebody throws at you that you don't know. I mean, we're human. Sometimes we know something and we just forget in that moment, or
Yeah.
sometimes we just actually don't know. We don't know everything. So,
Exactly. Yeah.
but Google knows everything. So there's
Absolutely. And
there's always a way to
uh,
find the answers.
thank you, Google.
Thank you, Google.
And yeah, as an ESL teacher
Hmm.
online, I like I'm pretty sure you have met like hundreds of people, and they
Yes.
have like different type of jobs,
Mm.
So yeah, so
Yep.
maybe you have learned many stuff through this journey.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I've learned so much. I mean, especially about the world.
yeah,
So, I mean, my geography has increased
exactly. Yeah,
tenfold. I'm quite a geography buff now, but it's super interesting. I mean, I speak to people from all walks of life
yeah,
and that do all different kinds of jobs throughout the world and have different perspectives on things as well, which is
exactly. The cultural
really
differences as
culture
well.
differences. And it's I think just be open to learn from other people as well. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm not only here to teach, I'm also here to gain knowledge and to learn as well, and to go
you
on a
learn from the
journey with
people.
somebody.
Yeah.
I learn so much, which is part of what I really enjoy about my job. So
Wow. Okay. Let me teach you
mm,
how do you say cat in Iraqi dialects.
cat. I have
Yeah.
no idea.
Yeah. We call it bazuna.
Bazuna. Bazuna.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It's like completely different.
Like yeah, exactly. Like phew, look, there we go. It's bazuna.
It's a bazuna. That's actually quite a
Yeah.
fun word to say.
Yeah.
Bazuna. I'm gonna write
Yeah.
that down. How do you spell that? B-A-Z, bazuna.
Yeah. Bazona. Yeah. So
Oh, I like
that that's the word of the day today for you. And
bazuna.
I want to be an English teacher again. you know.
Yes,
So I
come
have
back.
I have yeah, I have to improve my English skills, conversational skills. But I have concerns about like what if the student asks me like a question, but I don't know the answers, or maybe I'm not prepared for that question. So what is the situation for you if you like you are maybe I bet you are prepared because you have had the experience teaching online and teaching different types of different levels of people, of students,
Yes.
So what do you do if you get like the question that you don't know?
Yes. It actually happens, not a lot, but definitely, I think once a day at least, someone will ask me something and I'm like, oh, wait, let me think, But yeah, most of the time it will be like a grammar rule, something like that.
That's most embarrassing question about tenses.
Yeah. It's just like a silly question. For me, not silly like a silly question, but it'll be a small question like, oh, why is it like this and not like this? And I'm like, it just is. And then I will have to say, honestly, honestly, I don't know the question, but I have an idea. And then I will quickly Google it and I'll say, give me 1 second quickly. And they'll be like, yes. Okay. I remember now. But or a meaning of a really strange word that I have never heard
about it.
So I will quickly be like, oh, 1 second, quickly check it out. And then I'll be like, oh, yes, okay, that makes sense.
I want to ask you something else about South Africa. You guys, I know you have like 12, I guess, 12 languages there in South Africa.
Yes.
So what is the like the official language there in, for example, for Cape Town? Is it English or any other languages? 12 languages.
Yeah. So how it works is the whole of South Africa, the main language is English.
Okay.
The first spoken language, pretty much, I think everyone can speak English. I haven't met anyone who can't speak English. So that's what they teach in schools. That's what they show on TV, the radio, the billboards. Everything is in English.
In English.
So that is the first official language, I would say.